welcome to my kitchen. Today, make sauteed garlic chicken. I'm gonna make it. So serve with gobo. So English name is burdock. Gobo and shiitake. Very easy method. So this meat tenderizer. This step is important. Soaking, seasoning, and making soft texture. So I like this kind too. So you can use fork, like push like this. Little bit. Pepper. It's strong. 白だし。Soy sauce, just a little bit, added color. Just soaking about 10 to 15 minutes. Gobo, buttocks. So cut like this. It's called sasagaki. Looks like a sharpener of a pencil. I think this veggie, buttocks, is not popular out of Japan, but good veggie. I love it. This is a fried burdock gobo with little salt and steamed rice. Chicken. let's start to eat. Today's one, my dish. It's sauteed garlic chicken, served with shiitake and fried gobo, buttocks, veggie with hot steamed rice. いただきます。So I'm just use technique, low flame heating method chicken. It's soft and juicy. Garlic flavor, so good. ご飯、バーダック、ベジ、good texture. I love it. So you can make this kind a plate. Makes so easy. Please try it. Please try my method. Low flame cooking. Please try it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Have a good garlic chicken saute. Bye. Thank you.